Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools promising to revolutionize everything? It's a little bit like being back in the early days of the internet, isn't it? So many options, so much jargon, it can be hard to know where to even begin. Right now, three terms are floating around a lot: RAG, AI agents, and Agentic RAG. They all sound impressive, but what do they actually mean, and more importantly, which one is right for what you're trying to achieve? Let's start with RAG. That stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it like this. You have a really smart person, but they only know what you tell them. RAG essentially does that. It takes information you provide, documents, articles, whatever your knowledge base is, and uses that to answer questions or create content. It's fantastic for things like building a really efficient Q&A system or quickly generating text based on specific data. A solid foundation, really, but it's static. It doesn't really learn or adapt on its own. It needs you to feed it new information. Now, let's move up to AI agents. These are a bit more sophisticated. Imagine that same smart person, but now they can also do things. They can take action, follow instructions, and handle more complex requests. AI agents can automate tasks, scheduling meetings, processing data, even making simple decisions with minimal human intervention. They're great for streamlining workflows and taking some of the burden off your team. You're starting to see real efficiency gains here. But what if you want something that not only does things, but also learns from doing them? That's where Agentic RAG comes in. It's the most powerful and honestly the most exciting of the three. It takes everything RAG and AI agents offer, the information retrieval, the dynamic action, and adds a layer of continuous learning. This system isn't just responding. It's constantly refining its approach, improving its performance, and getting smarter with every interaction. Think about something really complex, like managing a supply chain. Lots of moving parts, constantly changing conditions. That's a perfect use case for Agentic RAG. Or maybe complex financial modeling, where nuance and adaptation are critical. It's about moving beyond simple automation and into something approaching genuine intelligence. So, which one should you choose? It really comes down to your needs. If you just need to access and generate content from existing data, RAG is a great starting point. If you want to automate tasks and workflows, go for AI agents. But if you're facing truly complex challenges that require continuous learning and adaptation, that's when you look at Agentic RAG. It's not about picking the best technology, it's about choosing the right tool for the job. And understanding the differences between these approaches is the first step toward harnessing the full potential of AI. It's a journey, and it's moving fast. Don't feel pressured to jump into the most complex solution right away, but do stay curious and keep exploring.